Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this super bold, dramatic look that totally looks like fire. Back during Kristen's Christmas, it was requested when I did my J Cat beauty videos. I can't remember if it was the review or the tutorial that I did, but it was requested that I use the gold and like the burgundy cranberry shades in this palette to create a look. So that is what I did. I didn't want to do a halo eye or just a basic smoky eye because that's what I did. I did a cranberry and gold one like forever ago, so here's a halo eye, and I'm just so proud of how this look came out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright, so I have my eyebrows done and my eyelids primed. For primer today, I use this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer. I have just been really liking this. And I also have some washi tape by my eyes because I want to try doing the look I'm doing with some tape today, because I haven't done that in a really long time. And I'm just using this washi tape because I feel like the washi tape isn't as like harsh as like Scotch tape. And this one is just hideous. It has birds on it and I hate birds. To start in the crease, I'm going to go in with this shade right here from the Modern Renaissance palette, and this is the shade Tempera. And I'm just using this to just sweep it in my crease, kind of just to start out as that first transition shade. And I'm bringing it up closer to my brow bone, so I'm not really... normally I'll look like this, but today I'm going to look straight ahead. Next up, using the Modern Renaissance palette. Again, I'm going to pick up Tempera and a little bit of, I think I'm going to go in with raw Sienna first. And again, I'm just going to pop this in the crease, and I'm going to be looking straight ahead again. Next up, I'm going to take Tempera, raw Sienna, and burnt orange all on the same brush again. And I'm just going to blend this into the crease. Next up, I'm just going to take this Sonia Kashuk brush with nothing on it and just blend out the crease a little bit, just because I feel like it's looking a little harsh. Next, I'm going to go in with this like eyeshadow shader brush thing that I got in an Ulta palette, and I'm going to take raw Sienna, burnt orange, and then red ochre all on this brush, and I'm just going to look straight ahead into my mirror so I can get that like cut crease effect. Then I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills blending brush on this side and just blend out that crease a little bit. Next up, I'm going to go in with my J Cat Beauty Sunset Boulevard palette, and I'm going to take this end of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which I think is SB12, I'm pretty sure, and I'm just going to pop this in the crease next. I'm just going to go in with this side one more time to buff out the crease. But I'm really keeping it here and staying away from the actual crease, if that makes any sense. Okay, so now it is time to work on the lid. So I'm just going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover color correcting palette thingy, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is like the peachy one, on this small little brush. And I have to figure out where I'm going to put that because I'm running out of space. And I'm just, again, going to look straight ahead. And for me, since I have hooded eyelids, there's a fold where I could kind of like figure out like where I want to place the concealer and just blend it out. And I kind of just work with that one fold because that's like my guide. For my left eye, because the left side of my body is my problem child, it's a little different because I don't have that fold like I do on my right eye. So what I want to try to do is kind of just match them as even as I can. It's not gonna be perfect, but you know, it's okay. Okay, so next up is the fun part and the part that I am most excited about, because we're going to be playing with this palette again. This is the Sunset Boulevard palette from J Cat, and I'm going to be playing with these 3 colors right here, the 3 shimmering shades. So first, I'm going to take this dome brush, and I'm going to take this cranberry burgundy shade on it, and I'm just going to stamp this cranberry shade right on the outer V. So right here. And bring it like a third of the way in. Next, I'm just going to take my little shadow switch thing and clean off this brush. And I'm going to go back in with the J Cat palette, and I'm going to take this next shade right here, which is like a really pretty goldy bronze shade, and I'm just going to put this on the middle portion of the eye, trying to blend it as best as I can with that berry shade. And one last time, I'm just going to clean off of this brush, and I'm going to pick up my J Cat palette again, and I'm going to go in with this really pretty gold shade right here and pop this on like the inner corner where I haven't applied any shadow yet. Okay, so next up I'm going to go in with this really weird flat brush from BH, and I'm going to pick up the cranberry shade and kind of just blend it in with the first gold shade that I put down. So go like this, just to bring back some of that pigmentation, because it did get a little lost once I put that first gold shade down. So next I'm going to take this shade right here and kind of just do the same thing that I did with the cranberry shade and kind of just blend it in together. But I'm going to do it here on the end a little bit, and right here with that inner corner shade. Next, I'm just going to take this end of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm just going to look straight ahead and kind of just carve out that crease one more time, so you can kind of decipher that's a cut crease. I think I'm going to do a wing liner. This is the eyeliner I'm going to use. It's the Maybelline Master Precise by Eye Studio. It's just like a little pen, but I'm going to do it off camera because I always mess up my eyeliner on camera, and I just need the mirror really close to my face. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so I just did the wings off camera, and they actually came out okay. I had a little oopsie on this side, had to like redo it, but we're good. I actually went in with my Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner as well on top of the marker like one, because it was kind of like drying out. It was really weird. So I'm gonna do my lower lash line now, and I already concealed. I just used the peachy shade from the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Pro Corrector color correcting kit thing. It's just, the name is just ridiculous. So for the lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna go in with all the crease colors. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of Tempera, Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, Red Ochre, and, oh gosh, running out of room again, and this shade right here from the J Cat Beauty palette. For my waterline, I'm going to go in with this NYX Wonder Pencil in light, and I'm just going to pop this in there. Alright, so I just got done with the rest of my face. Please ignore my lips because I was thinking of a lip combo to use and it backfired right in my face. So for highlight today, I actually used my e.l.f. highlighter quad, and I use these 3 shades right here, except I did not use the white. So for lips today, I'm going to use this Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Flirt, but I'm first going to go in with this Sephora Universal, I was going to say eyeliner, but it's a lip liner to line my lips, because this lip thing, liquid lip, Jesus, it bleeds. It just bleeds a lot. So I'm going to use this first to line my lips and fill them in with the Milani thing. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video requests on any videos you want to see in the near future, let me know in the comments down below. I love getting your video requests. Or if you just have any comments saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!